we're gonna have to go 33. Some of the floors are now locked, but fortunately not everything.
Serving floor 33.
Alright, these are the high-rise elevators at the Thompson. It's pretty fast. Let's see, 3,000 pounds. Hey there.
33rd floor going down.
See, everything above this is locked. So we will go back to lobby. Guess we're now going to get car 3. I like that they have the indicator on every floor. Alright, here we go. Car 3, floor 33. So yeah, there's a view. Sorry, I couldn't show you the view for very long. Reflection probably ruins it, but I didn't want to lose the elevator. Looks like we're stopping on 22. It's the last express zone. Above the express zone stop.
22nd floor going down. Servant floor lobby.
Hello. Oh.
So she got there like at 4:30. She's like, I got your text because I had sent a scheduled message. Because I
Going up.
wake her up that early, just for the morning. And then she thought we left later. She's like, maybe I misunderstood. So they're okay. I was like, they'll be fine. Like, it's okay.